What's up everybody, Lycan-Strife here, Rebel Drifter, and today we have a package, another girlfriend, if you want to call it that, from Ridmii, which is a very cool company. So let's unbox her right now. There we go. Open up the flaps. They have smaller flaps on the side. This is nice, the smaller flaps, because sometimes it's very difficult to have multiple of these big flaps to try and get her out. She is completely naked, so that means that I have to cover her up. I needed to put up a sock over her breasts because her breasts were exposed. So we can take this out, which is all air pockets. And here we can see how she's been packed. Also, this has been moved, but that's to be expected. There's something there. Oh, yeah. The neck has already been dented. So that's not a good sign. So we have to try and get that back. Again, not the fault of Ridmii. The fault of the couriers. You can actually see the name already there, which is pretty cool. So there's that. And then we have more air pockets over here. If I'm not mistaken, it's a silicone head with a TPE body, so it's a hybrid. And then I need to see, yeah, everything else seems to be in place. I do like all these foam, extra protection foam things. That's nice. Then we have your specific lingerie, which I like because it's pink. And then there's a manual right here. Safety requirements, internal skeleton, and cleaning and maintaining, which is nice. So that's good. And now we can go over to the rest. Let's open up the bag with all the extras in there. And we have, like I said, your warming wand, your big ass comb, which is nice because I've never seen a comb like this before. Then you have your gloves for getting her in and out of the box and things like that. We have your water rinsing thing. You can just have a cup of water or a glass of water, then hold it while all the air goes out and then suck it up. And then after that you can put it into the fun hole and then, spray it again, which is nice. I kind of like those things. There is a little tube, which we need probably for the suction regarding her internal mechanized thing going on. I'll elaborate on that later. And this is a specific plug, which goes from a big thread to a smaller thread. Hope you guys can see that. And then we have a Allen key, if that's how you say it, if I'm correct. And also a charger, which is magnetic. It has two little magnetic prongs on there. And then it goes to USB-A. That's all that we're going to need. Oh, there's something else, which is this is again a drying stick, I think. Or, yes, it's a drying stick. So again, if you have done something with her and she's not drying up enough inside of the fun hole, you can put the drying stick in there and then get more drying. Maybe that was weird phrasing, but you can dry it out a little bit more. So here we have the head. I'm gonna open up the bag and gently take her out. She has a face shield on, which is nice. And the head or the hair is probably, is it implanted? Oh yeah, I didn't actually know that they were going to do that, so that's a nice surprise. So her hair is implanted and she's pretty much ready to go and plop onto the head. So I'm going to try and showcase her in front of the camera. Here you go. As far as I remember, her name is Crystal. She looks really nice. It's cool that they have implanted her hair. And yeah, there's already a quick connector on there, which is nice. I've put a sock on the inside regarding her private part and a sock on the top area over here outside of the bag regarding filming. As you can see, she is looking good. One of these things, the boots, are still in the box. One just came off. I think this one is pretty much loose as well. Yep, there you go. Here you can already see the bolts sticking out, which is fine. I mean, it is a TPE doll, so it's a little bit different with how they are being made over in the studio. So what we need to do now is get her out of all the plastic and then put her in some, put her in a bikini and some socks and shoes. And check out her feet first before we put on the socks and the shoes, and then everything else should be golden. All right, the feet seem to be looking good. There you go, with the bolts going through. And then on the other side, they seem to look good as well again. No, no toe skeletons in these. I always think that's funny. So this is how she looks right now. She has some powder on her. There are some little marks here and there, but I think that's from the mold. Like, for example, you can see a little bit of a dent there. Nobody has perfect skin, so this makes it look more realistic in my opinion. Even though it's just a small little dent, it might be because of the mold where they took her out. Like I said, she has been powdered a little bit here and there, which is normal for TPE. And there you go, she's completely assembled. Now you can see there's a little bit of overlap regarding the her head like this, especially with the light being very annoying. I have to turn it around a little bit, but it's not really that bad. You can see that it's a hard head. That's the only difference you'll be able to see regarding the color shift towards her body, because her body is of course very, very soft. And then we checked out her hands. Very nice regarding the manicure. Same on this side. Thank God for the knuckles, which is nice. Again, it's still a little bit iffy sometimes. There you go. They work though. And then we can check out the inside. Oh, there's a little bit of skin still attached there, or a little bit of TPE. Looks good as well. And then let's turn the other one around gently as well. There you go. Seems to look good as well. So that's nice. Turn everything back if I can, gently. And this is how she looks from the back. Very nice figure, standing good in her shoes. Cute little butt. And then for the keen-eyed viewer, you might notice this. Now, I don't know if it's already on. And it's already zooming. So that's something that you can hear, hopefully. So this is actually an air outlet. And if you go over to her fun hole in the front, it actually vibrates. They also have an app where I have to talk about later. Now there's also sound. Don't know if I'm gonna get demonetized for that, but there's already no monetization to be had anyway. But anyway, you have multiple settings that you can use. Here are the two magnetic prongs for the charging, and we have to figure out what the app can do in combination with this doll right here, which is gonna be really cool. So big shout out to Ridmii. Go check out their dolls, and for a very affordable price. And tell them Rebel Drifter sent you. This is a different brand doll head on the body right now. She's supposed to be Jinx from League of Legends, or Arcane if you watch that show. So I just wanted to showcase this, that it's easy of course to mix and match heads, and the skin tone or skin color from that different type brand actually matches pretty well with the Ridmii body. So that's really nice, of course. And yeah, let's turn her around with the hair and see what she looks like. The wig is just not really of great quality, but you understand what we tried to make her look like. And this is her again with a different type of wig, and that makes all the difference. What's up YouTube, Lycan-Strife here, Rebel Drifter from the future, and thank you very much for watching the Ridmii unboxing, the Ridmii Crystal unboxing I should say. So yeah, to elaborate a little bit more on the function that this doll has, it's a cost-effective doll which is not very expensive to buy, and it has multiple features with the little electric thing on her side, the suction, the vibrating and the moaning in combination with an app. So sadly I can't demo this of course on YouTube because YouTube doesn't allow nudity and all that stuff. But this is the app. It's called Mutuafun. And with Mutuafun that you can just download through the Play Store is actually an app where you can completely check out your own way of a vibration mode or a suction mode or a moaning sound. And the cool thing about it as well, it goes through Bluetooth and you have a heating function apparently. And the cool thing, the extra cool thing is that if you, for example, have a partner that is overseas for a very long time, you can both download the app, go into a chat room together, talk and or have spicy conversations, and then also let your partner, who is probably on the other side of the world for like a month or two or whatever scenario you may find yourself in, and he or she can actually control the vibrating and the suction, etc. through the app. So that's actually pretty cool. There's also a tab in front of the thing that I just showed you, which is a automatic mode, a touch mode, a custom mode, music mode, and sound mode, and remote mode. So this is the splash screen from when you start up the app. And that actually shows you that you can connect it through Bluetooth. You have your long distance control. There you can go into a room right there. Join room, create a room, which is pretty cool. If more people would have this app as well, you could probably just, join each other there, which is pretty cool. That's pretty much it. There's a device list apparently as well. There's information. This is a version information 105. You can contact them. And that's pretty much it. So I suggest everybody to download the Mutuafun to look for yourself what it's like. You can have guest access and just check it out for yourself. And or just go to Ridmii and buy a doll and then use the app in conjunction with the suction, vibrating, moaning control option, which is pretty cool. So yeah, again, shout out to Ridmii. Thank you very much for letting me unbox this doll. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment, even if they're hateful. Thank you very much.